Hello guys, welcome to another easy guitar tutorial. Today we are going to learn a beautiful song called Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo. For the basics of this song, you need your guitar standard and tuning, and you will need a capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. So put your capo on the 3rd fret and let's jump to the lesson. Let's start with the strumming pattern, because we're going to use the strumming pattern the entire song except the bridge part. So the strumming pattern is really easy. They are just 8 down strum, but in the highlight down we are going to use an accent. Down, 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 down. Now what is an accent? Accent means that you're going to play that strum a little bit harder than the rest. For example, if I'm playing a G chord on the accent, I'm going to strum a little bit harder and most of the strings. While on the rest, I will just strum mostly the bass notes. So the strumming pattern will sound like this. Down, 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 down. Again. Now that we'll learn the strumming pattern, let's jump to the verse part. Now in the verse part, we have just 3 easy chord shapes. G for 2 time, E minor for 2 time, C for 2 time, and finally again G for 1 time. So the verse part will sound like this. Now we get to the chorus part, which has 3 parts of chords. But don't worry about them, they are really easy. In the first part of the chords, we have C for 2 time and G. Also, we are going to play the first part for 2 time. So in total, the first part will sound like this. Now in the second part of the chords, we have E minor, D, and G for 2 time. But here we don't use any specific strumming pattern, we are just going to strum down each chord. So the second part will sound like this. Now in the third part of the chords, we have C for 2 time, D, and finally G. But notice that in the third part, in the first C, we are going to use strumming pattern, and for the rest of the chords, we are going to just use down strum for each chord. So the third part will sound like this. Now finally we get to the bridge part, which is really easy. So we have E minor, C, G, and finally a D chord. Now in the bridge part, we're going to add a new strumming pattern which goes down, 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 down. Again, down, 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 down. So the bridge will sound like this. And that's it guys, thanks for the watching, and if you found out this lesson helpful, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more easy guitar tutorials. See you later.